Hi, welcome to our channel. We are the Vegas Twins and today we are going to discuss the 5 best hotel pools in Vegas. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on our list of best hotel pools in Las Vegas is Stadium Swim at Circa. This unique pool experience offers a massive, multi-level aquatic playground, complete with 6 temperature-controlled pools, including a massive 143-foot wide high-definition screen. Situated in the heart of downtown Las Vegas, Stadium Swim provides an electrifying atmosphere, perfect for enjoying poolside entertainment, vibrant music, and breathtaking views of the city skyline. With state-of-the-art technology and expansive space, Stadium Swim stands out as an unrivaled destination for those seeking a lively and unforgettable pool experience. Whether it's lounging in the pool or taking in the captivating visuals, this pool promises luxury, excitement, and an immersive atmosphere that will leave a lasting impression.
Coming in at number 4 on our list of best hotel pools in Las Vegas is the Caesars Palace Pool. This iconic pool complex is a true oasis, offering a luxurious and immersive experience. With a total of 7 pools spread across the expansive pool district, Caesars Palace provides an array of options for relaxation and fun. Lounge by the elegant temple pool surrounded by Roman columns or indulge at the Venus pool. Complete with private cabanas and top-notch service, the Garden of the Gods Pool Oasis features stunning landscaping, waterfalls, and even swim-up blackjack tables. Whether you seek a tranquil retreat or a vibrant party atmosphere, the Caesars Palace Pool delivers a memorable and lavish pool experience.
Coming in at number 3 on our list of best hotel pools in Las Vegas is the MGM Grand Pool. This vast pool complex offers an unparalleled experience, catering to all types of guests. With 4 pools, including a lazy river and a huge 6.5-acre grand pool complex, there is plenty of space to relax and unwind. Take a thrilling ride down the lazy river or bask in the sun in a relaxing lounge chair. The poolside cabanas provide a private retreat with personalized service, while the poolside bars offer refreshing drinks and snacks. Whether you're seeking relaxation or excitement, the MGM Grand Pool is the perfect destination to enjoy the ultimate poolside experience in Las Vegas.
Coming in at number 2 on our list of best hotel pools in Las Vegas are the pools at the Wynn Hotel. These pools offer an exquisite and luxurious experience in a serene setting, with immaculately manicured gardens, cascading waterfalls, and stunning floral displays. The pool area at the Wynn Hotel creates a tranquil oasis for guests to unwind and rejuvenate. The multiple pools provide options for both relaxation and excitement, with some offering private cabanas and others featuring lively atmosphere and music. Whether you prefer lounging in a peaceful environment or taking a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, the pools at the Wynn Hotel deliver a sophisticated and indulgent pool experience that is bound to leave a lasting impression on any visitor.
Coming in at number 1 on our list of best hotel pools in Las Vegas are the hotel pools at Mandalay Bay. This breathtaking pool complex is a true tropical paradise in the heart of the desert. With its sandy beach, real waves, and expansive pool areas, Mandalay Bay Beach offers an unparalleled aquatic experience. Relax on a beach chair under the swaying palm trees, take a dip in one of the multiple pools, or float along the lazy river. The wave pool provides an exhilarating experience, perfect for those seeking a taste of the ocean in the desert. The poolside cabanas offer a private and luxurious retreat with personalized service. Mandalay Bay Beach truly transports guests to a coastal haven, creating an oasis of relaxation and enjoyment. With its sheer size, variety of pools, and beach-like atmosphere, the hotel pools at Mandalay Bay are an absolute must-visit for any pool enthusiast in Las Vegas.
So there you have it, our list of top 5 hotel pools in Las Vegas. Do you agree? What changes would you make? Did we leave something out? We would love to hear from you in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. So for now, thanks for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day.